Hello, this is Eric with RC Monster Garage, and today we're gonna shoot the Axial Yeti, or the Yeti XL, whatever you would like to call it. It's a big machine. It's very fast. It's kind of a crossover. It's a rock crawler and a rock racer all at once. Huge machine. They claim that this machine is actually a 1/8 scale, but it's almost look like a 1/5 scale. Just for the comparison, this is a 1/10 scale from Red Cat Racing, and this is the size different, 1/10, 1/8. This is much bigger. I really think that this is a 1/5, but it's better. You get more for your money. But at the same time, when we're looking all around this, nice shock, very cool looking vehicle. Even have inside 2 riders. They actually giving you in the kit 2 more helmets. One look like a dirt helmet and the other one look like a helmet with a skull inside. The wheels are okay. It's not real bit locks, it's just glued on. Just like kind of a plastic cover chrome. It's not really a chrome, it's just plastic. The shock over here, they're nicely done, but they cannot really absorb the weight really good. You really have to change those. This vehicle is not provided with batteries, so you have to have a set of 2 lithium battery, the 2S 7.4, a set of 2, or for higher performance you're going to need to have a set of 2 3S 11.1 volt. And with the 11.1 there is a problem, because the ports that they put right here on the side for the 11.1 volt not necessarily fit. We tried different brand batteries and they did not really fit in good, so you're gonna have to take them out of their case. But overall, value for the money, this is definitely worth it. Again, very big Axial Yeti, really good fast vehicle. I'm gonna make another vehicle video with performance, jumping and so, but before that I'm gonna do a couple upgrades. As it is stock, it's nice looking, but it's not gonna be as strong. The rear, right here, the rear swings are over here. Those made out of plastic, they will literally break on the first run, and they made them hollow. There is nothing inside over there, so it's not so strong. So I'm gonna do a couple changes, and we're gonna take another video for you guys how it jump, and we'll see. Also do some update on the remote. The remote come with it is a very simple tactic remote. I believe that we deserve a little bit better than that. Anyway, see you on the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos so we can make more for you. Thank you.